Intro 000, upbeat music intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where AI meets horsepower. If you're a new driver or just looking for your first car in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best new cars for beginners, with a breakdown of price, performance, and why they're perfect for first-time owners. Let's hit the road. #5025 number 5, the 2025 Toyota Corolla. Starting at $23,000, this compact sedan packs 169 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 in 8.1 seconds. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and packed with Toyota's Safety Sense suite, it's a no-brainer. Plus, it's easy to drive and cheap to maintain, perfect for new drivers. #4055, number 4 on the list, the 2025 Honda HR-V. Starting at $25,900, this small SUV has 158 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 9.4 seconds. With more room and a higher driving position, it's perfect for confidence building. Honda reliability and a smooth ride make it a great starter vehicle. #3125, coming in at number 3, the 2025 Mazda 3. Starting at $24,500, it offers 191 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 7.9 seconds. Stylish, sporty, and fun to drive, the Mazda 3 offers sharp handling and premium features at a beginner-friendly price. Plus, the cabin feels more upscale than its price tag suggests. #2155, number 2, the 2025 Hyundai Kona. Starting at $25,400, it has 147 horsepower in the base model and up to 190 horsepower in the N line. Great tech, bold design, and excellent safety features make it fun and functional. And if you're ready to go green, there's even an all-electric version. #1225. And finally, number 1, the 2025 Honda Civic. Starting at $24,000, it has 158 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 in 8.2 seconds. It's hard to beat the Civic. Legendary reliability, smart features, solid fuel economy, and a smooth, confident drive. It checks all the boxes for first-time drivers. Outro 255. There you have it. The top 5 new cars for beginners in 2025, all chosen using AI to balance price, performance, safety, and reliability. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our AI-driven car content. Until next time, drive smart and stay curious. And as always, happy driving.